I'm Kelly Mellos. I'm a portrait painter. I love the human experience and capturing that in paint. I paint real people, and when I do this, I'm looking to capture not only their individuality, but also the spirit within them that connects them to all of humanity. It's one thing to create a piece that works on a personal level or a decorative level, and it's a whole nother feat to shoot for a timeless or a universal piece. And that's what I'm really trying to do with my work. I want people to look at my portraits hundreds of years from now and be able to respond to the humanity that's within them.
Classical art has so much to offer, and often it's seen as something of the past that's not relevant. But Kelly takes those tools and makes them accessible for modern creatives in all industries. And that's what's so fundamentally inspiring about her work.
What Kelly really brings to the table is not only the ability to push participants creatively, but she's also giving them a vocabulary to communicate artistic ideas. And that's really important in my business because we set design expectations up front with our clients, and often we're relaying artistic ideas to people who don't have that type of background. I really like that Kelly is teaching more universal principles of design and that they apply to any art form. I mean, she may be painting up there, but the principles that she's talking about can apply to designers, architects, landscapers, really anybody who has a creative element to their work.
I approach my stage work in a very similar way. It's one thing to create a flashy performance or to have the goal of connecting with a few audience members, but I'm looking to connect with the collective humanity of the group because that's really what I need to do in order to make the breakthroughs that I'm looking for. I've created a unique stage experience that allows people to take risks in order to grow personally. It allows them to go through the creative process so they can see how that can lead to innovative thinking in all areas of their lives. It breaks down the barriers to human connection, and it ultimately helps people overcome the obstacles that are in their way of achieving their greatest creative potential in whatever field that is.
Seeing Kelly's own creative process unfold on stage was just a great way to push our designers to remain inspired about their work, keep their work fresh, and reinforce that they have true impact. And that is so important to delivering quality design. You have to have inspired designers.
The great masters really understood the universal principles of design, and that's what made their work timeless. I love teaching these principles to a contemporary audience so they can create work that will stay with us for generations.